In today's video, I'm planning to teach you how to upgrade paid on Patreon. If you're currently following a creator for free and you want access to paid benefits, this process is very simple once you know where to click. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can upgrade your membership without confusion. To begin, go to Patreon and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main Patreon interface, take a moment to get oriented. The goal here is to access the creator page you want to support with a paid membership. Next, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen and click on your creators section. This area helps you quickly find the creators you already follow or interact with. So it's the fastest way to get to the right page without having to search again manually. After that, click on the creator you want to upgrade. This will open that creator's Patreon page. Make sure you've selected the correct creator before moving forward, especially if you follow more than one. That way, you'll be upgrading the right membership and viewing the correct subscription options. Once you are on the creators page, find and click on upgrade to paid. This option is typically visible on the page if you're currently on a free membership or free follow status. Selecting it will take you to the membership choices available for that creator. Now, you'll be able to choose your membership level. Review the available options carefully since each tier may come with different perks, pricing, or access levels. When you find the membership that matches what you want, click on Upgrade. At this point, Patreon will move you into the payment and confirmation part of the process, depending on your account setup. Be sure to double check the tier you selected before finalizing anything, especially if the creator offers multiple paid plans. It's always a good idea to confirm the billing amount and what benefits are included so you know exactly what you're signing up for. And that's it. Once the upgrade is complete, your account should reflect the new paid membership, and you'll be able to access the benefits included in that tier. If you're following these steps and don't see the upgrade option right away, refreshing the page or reopening the creator page can sometimes help. In most cases, though, the process is quick and straightforward. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you upgrade to a paid membership on Patreon with ease.